Pansin mo.
Welcome to my vlog again. Hello, this is Mama Rosa.
Thanks for the
Chin
sun,
Chin.
lovely weather.
Nasaan tayo ngayon, sis?
It's Happy Friday!
Where are we?
We're here in the Japanese garden at Calden, Scotland.
And
Here in Dollar.
Dollar.
Yeah, Calden Dollar.
Japanese garden. With Tita Oma.
Di ba? Yan sa green.
Let's just have
This is Japanese garden.
Hello.
Tita Oma. What can you say, Tita Oma? Rosa Mia. Yes, Japanese garden.
Can you
Look at the
see
view.
background?
Yeah, the background.
Samog people.
Can you see the background? Yes. It's Japanese garden in Dollar in Scotland.
Again.
Okay, we're
9,
having a picture now.
8.
What can you say, Mama Rosa?
It's beautiful.
How about you, Tita Oma? What can you
It's
say?
fantastic and beautiful.
Beautiful.
lovely.
Ah, this is Chin Chin.
Ayan, sama si
Chin 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 Tabaru. Yes. It's garden in Dollar in Scotland.
Paano mo nga ako ng
Kasali ka na.
Yeah. This is Tita Tadling. Hello.
Kasama si Tita Tadling.
Kasama na si
Okay.
Tita Taling. Dali.
Again.
Wala.
Beautiful garden.
Yeah.
What can you say, Tita Tadling?
Beautiful. Yeah. Great, bro.
Where are we at the moment, si Tita?
We're at Cowden at the Japanese garden. Yeah. Is this your TikTok?
Sabi bago daw ginawin.
Oh, okay. Oh, we need to have a TikTok.
Yung area.
TikTok natin nga. Mag-TikTok.
We're going down. Hey, nice view.
Kain tatlo.
Tita Oma, Tita Ling, hello.
Ready.
Yeah, Chin Chin,
Steady.
Tabaru.
Smiley.
Smiley.
One more.
Yes.
Ga.
Garden. Dito.
Stop.
We're having a selfie.
Beautiful
Yeah.
place.
Nice
So,
place.
They're talking to me, and it's her first time to come here.
I swear.
So she says that they're just
Beautiful.
appreciating the place.
It's beautiful. Kasi sa point of view. Ang sabi ko
Malapit na
It's beautiful garden.
Para kang bibili ng mga shed na bahay. Tapos tingnan mo, parang bahay din. Nilagyan niya rin ng gate, may konting halaman. Tuwang-tuwa ako doon. Gusto ko sanang pasukin kanina.
Saan yun?
Exhibition building na yun.
Hindi,
Di ba?
pwede tayo pumasok. Exhibition.
Let's have a
Sabi nga,
picture
ano,
taking.
Oo nga, para pagkabakasyon, nandun ka nung tabi nung sapa niya, pwede naman eh, di ba?
Yung kanina may nakaupo doon kanina.
Stand kayo dito, oh. Oh, are we standing
Oh,
there?
sige, stand out tayo. That's a garden. Beautiful garden.
Just have this kind of area and
Yeah.
Yeah. You just sit there and then you belong.
We're in a Japanese garden. Diba?
beautiful weather.
Beautiful weather.
Maganda kapag may araw.
Uy, kakaiba po ang halaman po yan. Sili.
Hindi sili yan. Daling sili.
Hello. Enjoying the view.
Koya.
I think with the nature, you can... Sili yan.
Oo nga ano. Si Koya.
Are you thirsty?
Japanese spring. Tapos tignan mo sila hindi evil, no? Kasi talaga kailangan. Pakita mo daw yung mga bato-bato. Beautiful. Kasi sila.
Ano yung nature na mag-iin. Hindi nila binabayaw. Ang ganda.
That's garden. Lovely garden. That's the moss. Moss. Yan o, di ba moss? It's a lovely moss.
Alis na dyan. Alis ka muna dyan. Uy. Move a little bit.
But it's good we're getting the sunshine. It's beautiful. The long trees and stuff. Do you like gardening? Yes, very nice.
Gardening. Ay, ang ganda. Ikaw na ang model.
Ang ganda dito, oh. May ganun pa siya, oh.
Mayroon pa siya ano,
Ang tubig daw.
tubig.
Pwede tayo pumasok eh.
Ay, bawal.
Lord.
Hindi, mag-step
No,
ka lang
kaya
dito.
nga naglagay na ng
Barrier.
Hindi, ang sabi nila pwede pa.
No. Naglagay na nga ng harang.
Ito lalo oh, maganda oh. Pa? Pa? Lovely garden.
Pangalawa sa recycling and lahat pati yung meron silang incentives. Incentives sila.
Lovely garden.
Ito daw sa kasal eh. Sabi, maganda picture natin sa pagkat tayo. Yun.
Di ba? Ang ganda, ang ganda, ganda.
Dito daw kinukuhanan.
Si Mama Rosa.
Bago pumunta doon. Dito muna na auntie isa-isa.
Alika tayong dalawa.
Isa lang muna
Isa-isa,
po.
para may, kasi sa wedding daw auntie, ibig sabihin ito yung picture perfect. Ibig sabihin ito yung picture perfect nila. Bakit yan lagi kinukuhanan?
O, ako naman.
Gusto mo? Ano gusto mo?
Ayan. Ayan ang kanilang view. Garden. Malaking pagong.
May drama na konting. May drama na konting. Oh.
Lovely garden.
Your perfect smile.
Diba? Beautiful garden. Lovely garden. Ganda ng view. Lovely place. It's Japanese. Diba? It's a lovely place. This is ano daw to maganda.
Dito, liga.
Yes, this is Tita Oma. Tita Taling. Hello. Smile. Position.
7, 6.
Yan. Ay,
Ay, gusto mo ba? Gusto na ako, ano kasama?
Ito merong
ayan siya.
dito nga yung pinag-anuhan tayo nun.
Si Ella.
Yeah.
Picture ni Ella.
There she is. Hindi siya nagpasawa.
Asan si Ella?
Ay, ang ganda. It grew and developed throughout the time.
One day will come when it's really, really dry and things. Eh? But even now, it's beautiful. Oh, look at the landscape. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow, yan.
Hindi na nakita
10,
yan.
9,
No,
8,
they put
7,
that.
6, 5.
It's beautiful. Pag sunny, eh?
Oh.
Ah, yun yung circle kanina.
Ganun pala kayo.
Circle of life.
Living Japanese landscape.
Yan yung circle of life. Shadow.
Shara.
Yan.
Shara.
It's a pleasure and delight.
Ayan ang garden. Ayan. Maganda ang garden. Japanese garden. Japanese garden. Siya. Ayan.
Huwag mo nang galawin. Kung paggalag yung kamay.
Ayan si Mama Rosa. Si Tita Oma. Beautiful garden. Beautiful garden.
Kaya kita ng skies.
Ayan po.
Yan ang teki. Kaya pala papagalit. Sway pa, sway.
Ayan. Ayan po siya. Inside
We haven't been to the
Because even we have
Tapos hindi pa natin napuntahan to. We can go
Sa
there
kabila.
and bring the food.
Ito si Ella grew.
Because we have already tea.
This is Ella.
Water,
The garden
so we
Ella
don't
grew.
need anything.
Kaya pala
Yes,
si
si
Ella.
Ella. Me and Ella.